of cloud drift across the sky. Migrating birds have lost their way. Our lives are just the same as theirs, wandering without a place to stay. Like birds that fly with no direction, searching for a distant shore. Tell me now where we are going. What are we still flying for? Timidly, bird, where will you go? Softly burning, holding joys from passing days. Life reveals its deeper flavor as the world in kindness stays.